Hey guys, today I am reviewing a valved exhaust from a company called Bozworx. In this video I'll be doing some flybys and also some revving pretty much in sport, mid and green with valve open and close. So the way they open and close on this one, because it's a valved one, it comes with a little controller that you can press whichever one it is to open and close. I'll insert a little video on that. So this is very similar to the Pro exhaust, the Pro Works exhaust, but it's about half the price, which is crazy. So the exhaust is a modified stock. So pretty much it's a stock Cooper S exhaust with the mid silencer taken out and a modified back box, and then with an actuator on it that controls a little flap on the inside to open and close the exhaust, and it does make a difference, but I do keep it open all the time. Wink wink. So under here you may be able to see there's a little red thing there, so that pretty much controls this flap in here that opens and closes. With that coming from there, there's pretty much a cable that runs up through the boot. So we can go under here, so there's a little cable that comes through there, and then I've routed it around here, and then you've got the box and all the cable in there. We'll tidy it up a little bit better when I can. And pretty much it then, cable comes out here and it goes into your cigarette socket in the back. Nice and simple. So nothing too difficult like the proper Pro exhaust. Yeah, so you can pick these up from Bozworx themselves. They're on Instagram and Facebook. I'll put all the links below. And yeah, it is one hell of an exhaust for the price. Pretty much half of what the actual proper Pro exhaust is. Yeah, so any questions, please let me know and enjoy.